Uh, good day once again. Mr. Thabo Maupa again, security training. Right, today I'm going to be presenting Grade E Module 5, titled Bombs, Explosive Devices and Firearms. Right. The reason that they teach you about bombs and explosive devices and firearms in security is not that they want to make you soldiers. No. They want you to have an idea or to have knowledge about these things. Because these things, they are harmful. They kill, they injure, they maim. So, in order to avoid all that from happening, the security officer must also have knowledge about these things so that you will be able to report these things before they can kill people or injure people on site. Right. Let's start with the objectives now. On completion of this module, the student, which is you, the grade E student, must be able to, number one, list and demonstrate his or her immediate action drill on discovering a bomb. We're going to come to that. Number two, must list the immediate action drill after an explosion. Number three, list and identify most commonly used bombs, suspicious objects, explosive devices, and firearms employed by the adversary. Those are the objectives of the bombs, explosive devices, and firearms. Right. The golden rule is regarding bombs. The general public must know and must be well informed and aware of the dangers of bombs and bomb threats. These are the things that are happening in geopolitics, like right now, in real time, in Israel, Palestine, Lebanon, Iran. They are using bombs. Right. So you must be able to know and must be well informed as the general public about the dangers of bombs and bomb threats. Right. The golden rule is to recognize any suspicious looking object that do not fit into the surroundings and report it. If you see something, then you will not tell what it is exactly, then you report it so that the bombs disposal squad can also come and take it before it injures or kills people. Right. When people are planting these bombs, what are they targeting most of the time? Number one, essential services. What are essential services? Gas supply, electricity supply, water supply, fuel supply, things like that. Number two, they also target officialdom, which is places like courts, police stations, government buildings, etc. Number three, they also target high density population areas like sporting complexes, malls, shopping centers, and so on. Number four, they also target transportation links like train platforms or train routes, right? And then we've got bus terminals and taxi terminals. Number five, they also target communication centers, right? Things like broadcasting corporations, post office, and so on. Then number six, they target fuel and industrial installations. Like here in South Africa, we got what they call SASO or Mosgas, etc. So things like that, they also target. You can see even in Iran, they are doing the same thing in Israel and Lebanon, targeting fuel, depots. Right. So let's look now at the types of bombs. There are basically two types of bombs, universal, which means the world over. Number one, we've got military bombs, which are for the armies, right? They are legal, right? Then we've got homemade bombs, which are made by people in their houses. It's like something like a makeshift that they just innovated, like a petrol bomb, for example, Molotov cocktail, right? So those are the two types of bombs. That is where your question one is. List two types of bombs, not examples of military bombs or homemade bombs. List the two types of bombs. Number one, military bombs. Two, homemade bombs. Let's check now the examples of military bombs. We've got limpet mines, we've got hand grenades, demolition charges, mortars, land mines, anti-personnel mines, TM57, 400-gram anti-vehicle mine, and then we've got Black Widow, right? Demolition charges and so on. Your question 2 is coming from there. List 5 examples of military bombs. Right. Then you start now: limpet mines, hand grenades, demolition charges, mortars, land mines, anti-personnel mines, TM57, 400-gram anti-vehicle mines. Those are the various types of military bombs. Let's go now to homemade. Those ones which they just innovate themselves. Right. We've got one Molotov cocktail or petrol bomb, which is thrown by hand. It's made by the people. Buy petrol mixed with sand and then you use it like that. Number 2, we've got letter or parcel bomb, which is sent through the post. You think you got nice mail and then there's a bomb in. As soon as oxygen goes in, it explodes. Then number 3, we've got briefcase bombs. Those are always used like they are left unattended. Then it explodes. Then number 4, we've got vehicle or car bomb, which is always parked near the target. The one that they like to use, commonly known, is the one that they use a remote. Right. Then that is where your question 3 is. List 2 types of homemade bombs. Then you go 1 Molotov cocktail, 2 letter or parcel bomb, 3 briefcase bomb, 4 vehicle or car bomb, but you only select 2 there. Let's check now the immediate action drills, since the objectives were saying you must be able to know the immediate action drills on discovering a bomb as well as the immediate action drill after explosion. Right. Immediate action drill on discovering a bomb, that is what you do when you see there is a bomb, or I think this thing look like a bomb. Then 1, do not panic or cause panic. 2, notify control. 3, mark location of the bomb. 4, safeguard the area. 5, do not touch the bomb. 6, do not use radio within 50 meters proximity because it's also radioactive. That is your question 4. List 5 immediate action drills on discovering a bomb. Then we come now to the immediate action drills after explosion. The question also says list 5 immediate action drills after explosion. 1, do not panic or cause panic. 2, notify control. 3, activate emergency procedure. 4, secure the location. 5, help the injured. Then you assist with evacuation. Right. In conclusion, now it's not such a long module. In conclusion, what can we do to detect a bomb? What is the plan? Good housekeeping. Knowing where everything is, so you cannot bypass or miss where there's something that is suspicious is lying, right? Cleaning personnel must be selected and screened thoroughly because they are likely to be corrupted to take the bombs inside. And then number 3, cleaning equipment must be checked by the supervisor on a day-to-day basis to ensure that they are not carrying bomb in the cleaning equipment. Every person should be on the lookout for number 1, suspicious articles, e.g. a parcel left unattended. 2, suspicious vehicles, why is it parked there? 3, suspicious persons, what is he doing there? Who is he? That is all about bombs, explosive devices, and firearms. Right, let's check now the question and answers now. Question 1, list 2 types of bombs. Number 1, military bombs. 2, homemade bombs. Question 2, list 5 examples of military bombs. 1, limpet mine. 2, land mine. 3, anti-personnel mine. 4, demolition charges. 5, Black Widow. Right, only 5 are needed. Question 3, list 5 immediate action drills on discovering a bomb. 1, do not panic or cause panic. 2, notify control. 3, mark location. 4, do not touch the device. 5, do not use radio within 50 meters proximity, and then secure the area. Question 4, list 5 immediate action drills after explosion. 1, do not panic or cause panic. 2, notify control. 3, activate emergency procedure. 4, assist with evacuation. 5, safeguard the area. That's it. Thank you very much for watching my video on bombs, explosive devices, and firearms. I'm so glad that people are following me. They are seeing the value of what I'm doing. Please keep it up. Keep on following me. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will appreciate all that. Enjoy your day. See you in the next one. I'll be doing module 6 practical tomorrow and module 7 practical also. God bless you.